In this video, you will learn what is AIOps and how it actually works with examples. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's go.
The IT department of every company is going to be the HR department of AI agents in the future.
What is AIOps? AIOps, as the name suggests, stands for Artificial Intelligence for IT Operations, which is nothing but just using AI processes like big data, machine learning, and natural language processing to improve and automate common IT processes. Throughout this video, I will give you examples and scenarios to help you understand how AIOps actually work and how is it used in the companies. Let's look at a common scenario to understand how AIOps can be used. So let's use this scenario of a web server which is showing high CPU usage of 90%, and due to this it is causing slower response time. Users are also reporting timeouts and delays whenever they load the page. So let's understand how can you solve this CPU usage problem without using AIOps and also with using AIOps. What is the change? So let's first understand how can you solve this without using AIOps. If you are not using AIOps or any DevOps tool, developer or DevOps engineer have to manually go and check the monitoring dashboards. So they will have to check why is my website slow, and going inside the monitoring dashboards like Prometheus, Grafana, Datadog, they will come to know, okay, the CPU usage is high. Then why is it high? So they will go and manually review the logs to understand what process or what is the problem that is causing CPU usage. After some research, they got to know the root cause on why is the CPU why is the CPU increasing 90%. So on the root cause analysis, they got to know that this is because of a cron job, or maybe because of the query that is not executing properly and causing CPU to go high. So once you know the root cause, you will resolve it. After you resolve it, you need to continuously monitor if the issue is solved or if the CPU is back to normal or not. Now using AIOps, you can automate all of this because AI tools will continuously monitor server performance, and using machine learning, they will get to know what is the common usage pattern. If there is any change in the common usage pattern, it will automatically send you an alert. Along with an alert, as it has all the data, it will also go through the logs and it will tell you what issue is caused, why is it caused, and how to solve it. If you have given it access, it can also resolve it for you automatically, and it will also make sure that the next time this issue comes, I will need to do this solution or I will need to do this to solve the problem. So using AIOps, you can automate all this manual process and let AI tools handle this. And if you are confused on how AIOps can actually do this, it is all because of the data. Every AI tool works on data. Even in AIOps, these AI tools collect data from different sources, they process this data, then run algorithms on it and provide you with information or solve your issues that can help you in your IT process. Let me help you understand how AIOps works with a flow diagram before we look at the AIOps use cases. So now let's learn how AIOps actually work, what are different stages along with the data collection and so on. But before we learn and understand how AIOps work, it is important for you to know the different types of AIOps tools. So there are two types of AIOps tools, domain-centric AIOps and domain-agnostic AIOps. So what is domain-centric AIOps tools? So domain-centric AIOps tools are nothing but tools that are designed to a particular domain. So it will focus on a particular domain such as networking, application, cloud computing. So whenever you want to troubleshoot something related to a particular domain, or whenever you want to get more information about a particular domain, you will go with domain-centric AIOps. But if you want to get more information, broader information of the entire environment, you will go with domain agnostic, in which you get information or you provide information from different multiple domains. So along with networking, you will also provide information or get information for application domain, APM, and so on. So these are the two different types, and it is important for us to know this because depending on the data you put in, you get the result. So now that you know all of this, let's understand how AIOps actually work, what are different components, and what is the flow overall. We all know AIOps works based on data. So the first step in AIOps tool is to collect data. So it is data collection. AIOps tools will collect data from different sources like servers, databases, infrastructure, anything, and they will collect data such as metrics, logs, traces. So all this kind of data is going to be collected from these different sources. So data like logs, metrics, traces, networking data, it could be anything. Once you have this data collected, this data could be unorganized, it could be unstructured, so we need to process this data. So the second step is for data processing. And in this step, we are going to process this data, clean the data. We will make sure that we are looking into like legit alerts that we need to solve. So you will filter this data, or you will clean this data, process this data for next step. Once you have the data processed and you have issues that you need to look into, once you have this data processed, you will then run algorithms on it. So in this step, we are using machine learning algorithms on the data that is processed to find out new patterns. Or using machine learning, we will get to know about the system performance. We will know the pattern of how the CPU pattern is, how is the memory usage all the time. And if there is any issues or any problem, we get to know it, or we get alerts for it. To find out new patterns or abnormal spike, if there is a usage, CPU usage been high, we can get to know in this process here. Once you have this done, you will then group all the similar kind of alerts. So let's say you have 10 different servers showing CPU usage is high. We will all group them together in this next step. So all the common alerts or common issues are going to be grouped together, and then you start working on solving it. So the next step is going to be solving the issue or finding the root cause analysis. So root cause analysis. In this step, the AI tool is trying to find out why is the issue coming up, what is the error and it point. If you have given access, it will also go ahead with automatically resolving this issue. So automated actions, let's say you have told AI tools, or it will learn automatically on what to do to solve these issues. So these are the different steps on how AI ops works. It will start with collecting the data from different sources. Once you have the data, it will process this data, run algorithms on it, and once you have similar kind of alerts, it will put them together for noise cancellation. So you could also put noise cancellation here. So we are not looking into unnecessary data. We will put them together. Once you have the information that you want to find out, it will go ahead and do it with the root cause analysis and pinpoint why the issue coming up or what you need to do, and then perform the actions for you. So this is the flow of how AIOps actually work, and these are the different components when working with AIOps tools. So here are 10 common AIOps use cases. The first is incident detection. Using AIOps, you can spot issues and anomalies automatically. Second is root cause analysis. Using AIOps, you can quickly find why is the issue coming up or what is the cause of the problems. Third is proactive maintenance. Using AIOps, you can have all the data which will predict and prevent failures before it actually happens. Next is capacity planning. Using AIOps, you can optimize how much resources, CPU memory is required for your application. Then dynamic scaling. It will automatically adjust resources based on the demand. Alert noise reduction, which we already looked in the step. So it will group together all the alerts for reducing noise. Log analysis. AIOps tools will analyze logs for you for insights and troubleshooting. Cloud cost saving is again very important or very common AIOps use cases. Dropbox have saved a lot of cost using AIOps. So in this, you can use AIOps tools to identify and cut unnecessary cloud expenses. Next is performance monitoring. Using AIOps tools, you can track and improve performance of your application and system. And lastly, we have CI/CD support. So using AIOps, you can also enhance your pipelines. You can ensure smooth and fast DevOps pipeline. So this was our video on AIOps. I hope this video was informative. If you have any questions, any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. And if you want another video explaining AIOps use cases, let me know in the comment section. Thank you and have a good day.